All right, boys and girls, welcome back to the drive-thru. Special shout-out to the drive-thru, helping second period get the help they need today as I was in training, okay? So thanks for asking the questions. This is the first of 4 questions, and I'll skip the intro on the next 3. Okay, so glad this one's up there because this is exactly how it works in math. A lot of the times you're behind, you start to get caught up, and then as soon as you get caught up, things change and you don't understand why you're doing it wrong. So if you just now started to figure out the leg squared equals part times part, and hypotenuse square, altitude squared is part times part, leg squared is part times whole, then you're going to get to this question and then you're going to get it wrong, because what do you notice about angle H in this problem? It is not necessarily a right triangle, okay? So we do know, I don't know if you can see that's a right angle. So the only thing I can do to find HF, which is x there, is I can just use Pythag. X squared plus, oh dear, never mind. All right, well, let's call this y, okay? X squared plus y squared equals 17 squared, okay? Well, if I call that y, now I've got to come up with another equation, correct? So what would I call GF, that little segment right here that I've just pointed an arrow to? Indeed, I would call that 21 minus y. So what would be another equation that I could set up? 21 minus y squared plus x squared equals 10 squared. Okay, elimination or substitution? Elimination, definitely. Okay, we've got x squareds in both of them, so I'm just going to rewrite the red one in a different order. Y squared plus x squared equals 10 squared. Sorry, 17 squared. What is 17 squared? Thank you. Okay, and while I'm here, I'm just going to write that as 100, and I'm going to subtract the entire thing. So I'm just going to rewrite it as 21 minus y squared minus y squared. Those are gone, right? Equals a negative 189. 100 minus 289. Bless you. Okay, FOIL. So that's 21 squared. 441 for sure. 441 minus 2y plus y squared. Let me show you how I got that. 21 minus y times 21 minus y is 441 minus 21y. Whoops, good thing I did that, because this is about ready to be wrong. Minus 21y plus y squared. Okay, so it's minus 42y, not 2y, you idiot. Plus y squared equals negative 189. And I need my minus y squared. And now I love that, because what's going to happen to my y squared and my negative y squared? They're gone. That seems to be happening a lot with these substitution problems, which is nice, or these elimination problems. So you get a negative 42y plus 441 equals negative 189. Subtract 441. Somebody, what is it? And 630 divided by 42. So y is 15. So x is, well, 17 squared minus 15 squared square rooted is equal to x. What is that? 8. So that's a Pythagorean triple. I should have known. 8, 15, 17. So now it's saying, is triangle EHF similar to C, that's a G, HGF. Alright, let's do short leg. So 21 minus 15 is 6. So we're saying this is 6, this is 15, and this is 8. So that's a 3, 4, 5 triangle, 6, 8, 10. The one on the right is not a 3, 4, 5 triangle, right? 8, 15, 17. And so they are not similar. Boom!